GLISTON car windshield repair kit for chips and cracks, bullseye, star-shaped, nicks, half-moon crescents. Perfect tool, professional quality do-it-yourself windshield cracks chips repairs with no mixing required. Windshield repair kit can quickly and effectively repair small cracks chips only in 20 to 30 minutes. Save your time and money to won't damage from spreading restores windshield to near new condition. Long-lasting maintenance effect. Widely used car windshield repair kit is designed for most types of outer glass small damaged by double-layer laminated windshield glass. The kit works best on small chips, bullseye, star-shaped, half-moon crescents, crack not more than 12 inches 30 centimeters and round damage not more than 1 inch in diameter. Tip: not work for cell phone screen. Easy to operate. The method of repairing slight glass cracks is to clean and dry the glass surface before construction, and then squeeze the resin into the cracks if the cracks are bullets, then put on the curing strip, then quickly dry and solidify under sun 5 to 10 minutes. It is to scrape off the residual resin with a spatula. Advanced formula, imported repair fluid, this is the key. The shear strength can reach to 20 pa. The repair location will not be broken, even though glass break. Enhanced injection plastic injection molding head can produce a strong pressure to push the repair liquid into cracks. SAFE and great service. All material without chemicals are not good material. 30-day money back. Repair job requires hands-on ability. If there are any quality-related issues with the item, please feel free to contact us. We can provide technical support when you need. Click the link in the description to get this product.